guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically join CapCut Pro. So it is super simple to do. You are going to open up a project. You don't actually have to. You'll see that there's going to be this join pro button in like this pastel blue and what's that, purple or pink color. Select it and you're going to have to sign in first. So I want to sign in. So just sign in first and then, okay, I'm going to select sign in with TikTok. Okay, then I'm going to select a plan. There's per month, there's per 1 month. This is monthly, this is yearly, and this is only for a year. Then you're just going to select purchase and you're going to fill out the data later. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!